The events industry produced 100,000 tonnes of waste in 2018. Our stand produces none. It's been incredible to work with Ecobooth and bring their ingenious sustainable business idea to life.
Ecobooth transform waste plastic into engaging experience and events for environmentally conscious brands such as PA Consulting. PA have really helped us build a circular mindset business. The technology we've developed and use at Ecobooth is absolutely critical to our growth and success. PA have been really central to helping us find that right mix of technologies.
Every manufacturing technology we assessed with Ecobooth had to minimise waste and deliver on customer needs. It was a fascinating challenge and the team really delivered. To see the final product come together is incredible.
A year in and we're making events around the world more sustainable with every new project.
The stand is amazing. It offers us so much flexibility. Over 1,000 people saw the last one and even more will see this one. And the best thing, we've done it completely sustainably.